The Coleman Sundome Camping Tent is a popular and widely used tent designed for camping and outdoor activities. Here are some details about the Coleman Sundome Camping Tent. Design and size. The Sundome tent features a dome-shaped design, providing stability and easy setup. It comes in various sizes, ranging from 2-person to 6-person capacity, allowing you to choose the size that suits your needs. Materials. The tent is made of durable and weather-resistant materials. The outer rainfly is made of polyester with a waterproof coating, while the floor is made of sturdy polyethylene. The tent poles are constructed with fiberglass, which offers strength and flexibility. Ventilation. The Sundome tent is designed with large windows and a ground vent to promote airflow and minimize condensation inside the tent. This helps to keep the interior fresh and comfortable. Rainfly. The tent comes with a detachable rainfly that provides additional protection against rain and UV rays. The rainfly is designed to extend over the tent's body, covering the mesh windows and creating a small vestibule area at the front for storing gear. Setup. The Sundome tent is relatively easy to set up. It typically utilizes a simple 2-pole system with color-coded assembly, allowing for quick and hassle-free setup. The tent also comes with a user manual that provides detailed instructions. Additional features. The Coleman Sundome Camping Tent offers several useful features, including storage pockets for keeping small items organized, an electrical cord access port for connecting devices, and an e-port to bring electrical power inside the tent. Weather resistance. While the Sundome tent is designed to withstand different weather conditions, it is more suitable for mild to moderate weather camping. It can handle light rain and wind but may not be ideal for extreme weather conditions. Price. The Coleman Sundome Camping Tent is known for its affordability. It offers a good balance between price and quality, making it a popular choice for casual campers and outdoor enthusiasts, and comes with a 1-year warranty. To purchase now, click on the link below.